Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk about how Syook can help you optimize the utilization of medical equipment on a global scale. The year 2019 introduced us to a deadly pandemic in the form of COVID-19. The world came to a standstill and we experienced life in a whole new light. Many organizations around the globe strived hard to ensure that people received all the necessary resources to contain the virus. Government bodies, along with non-profits, provided resources and equipment tirelessly in order to save lives. Today, 2 years after the pandemic started, as we adapt to a new normal, there is still a big threat from the ever mutating virus. With an eye on the near future and the growing need to strengthen grassroots infrastructure, the demand for medical equipment and supplies continues to grow. Around the world, funds worth billions of dollars are being donated by organizations. These organizations seek clarity on the utilization of these funds in the form of donated equipment. At Syook, we understand this need and came up with a solution to overcome this critical problem. Using Syook Insight, our location platform, you can monitor the location and attain historical data of your equipment anywhere in the world. With automated reports, compliances, and central dashboard, all your medical equipment and supplies can be mapped and monitored on a single platform. The Syook Insight platform also comes with a maintenance management module which not only keeps you posted about your upcoming activities but also analyzes equipment upkeep. Syook's mobile application helps one maintain any equipment with guided checklists and keeps a maintenance log. It assists field personnel in undertaking maintenance activities with ease. The app lets you upload pictures or service documents and keeps you notified about all your equipment on the go. To conclude, with Syook Insight, you can monitor and track all your inventory with respect to location, utilization, and maintenance. In order to know more, feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you for your time.